Hi, it's Chris Martin with Convicted Creations, and today we're here with Paula Huff. We're going to talk a little bit today about her recipe. She's going to do a chocolate cappuccino mocha
mousse.
Mousse. There we go. We're going to do a mousse today.
All right, well, you start out by pulverizing the graham crackers. I'm going to mix this with some peanut butter in here. You use a prison commissary bag to line a graham cracker box.
There we go. Now this is like a mold?
Yes, this is going to be the crust.
Awesome.
It'd be nice to have a big old tablespoon, but you don't get those in prison. You get sporks. Here, this is how you clean off utensils in prison.
There you go, just in case.
You take this and you just kind of stick that in and mash it all together. You put a few blobs in there because this is going to make this stick together and make a pie crust or, you know, mousse crust. And then you just kind of squoosh it all together in there.
That looks good.
Yeah,
How many will this feed?
all of them.
Anybody who wants.
Everybody. Now that we've done that, I'll just put in a little more of this.
Little layer.
Now I'm going to use the other side that I didn't crush anything up in. And I'm going to put the espresso in there. This stuff pulverizes really easy. This must go in the cup. Okay.
A lot of the guys I knew that made these products used them as a hustle, not just to feed.
Oh, yeah,
They
yeah.
made money off of it, so portion control is super, super important.
And we'll do the same thing with the cappuccino. And then this is how you make the mousse. This is the secret ingredient. See this? How that looks?
That's the medicine.
There's the mousse. Now I've just got to make sure I've got all this in here. And da-da-da-da-da-da-da. You just pour that in here. Look at that. Isn't that nice? It looks like mousse, and you know what? It actually tastes like mousse. It's kind of a chemical shit brew, but it's okay.
And just let it sit?
Yeah, it beats that rotten stuff they feed you in prison. You're looking at a prison mousse cake right here.
I've seen cakes just like this that are done. They finish it, they'll top it with a little bit of broken candy bar,
They're still
Granny
making that
creme.
recipe in Perryville, too. I try not to leave it in too long because it's in plastic, and that's not good. There's BPA in that. Bisphenol A. It's not good for you. Okay. Here you have this. And then you just break candy bar pieces on top.
Sets up almost like a French silky kind of.
Yeah, that's exactly.
moussey pie.
Yes. That's exactly
go.
what it is. There we go.
So it's been another episode of Convicted Creations. We want to say thank you to Paula Huff for coming all the way up from Tucson to bring her recipe of her cappuccino chocolate mousse. It's amazing. We'll catch you on the next episode. And remember, haters make me famous.